Hi, Tom with Dependable Oxygen. Today we're going to talk about the SOCLEAN CPAP sanitizing system. There's some different ways in which you can clean your CPAP and your supplies. We recommend you at least use some mask wipes or some spray cleaner to clean your mask every day. And then you should be disinfecting the humidifier, disinfecting the tube once a week. We've covered that on some previous videos. So today I want to talk about an all-in-one system. It's just to set it and go and it'll sanitize your CPAP. It uses technology which is ozone. It's using ozone to sanitize, which will effectively kill 99.9% of all germs and bacteria. So out of the box, this is what the unit looks like. It's got a power cord, plugs in here, and if you open the unit itself, you can look inside here. There is a filter, which I've already unwrapped. There's a wrapper on here. You need to take that off. This filter is every 6 months a replaceable filter, and it fits just in here and snaps in. A little adapter here that you can move to either side. It doesn't matter. But in order for this unit to work, it actually has to have that trigger. So it has to know that there's a tube or something in there. But it's as simple as when you're done, you drop this in. And then what you have to do, it comes with a standard adapter which looks like this. This will hook onto standard tubing. So if you have heated tube like on the Dream Station or an AirSense 10, you have to buy the adapter. So the adapters are about $20. So otherwise you can adapt this unit. You can, but it doesn't really work with the heated tube. So the one that comes with it, you've got to change the adapter. So the adapter actually will connect for the heated humidification. So you have to take this off, and you'll delete that part. And you're going to connect this adapter on here. Now, your humidifier chamber, this will actually go down inside the chamber. So the tube's going down into there now, and then that connects right there. Now what it does is it's actually going to pump it'll pump through here, the ozone through here, into your humidifier, and then circulate through the humidifier, up through the tube, and then back into the unit itself. So this circulation will sanitize the CPAP. It'll sanitize the humidifier, it'll sanitize the tube, and it will sanitize your mask. Now it's a dry sanitation, there's no water at all. So it is simple as, you can do it two ways. You can set the timer, set this little timer button, and then you tell it what time you want it to go off, and then hit go, and then you're done. Otherwise, every morning you can just hit manual. And by pressing the manual button, it'll just run the SOCLEAN itself. So right now, it is red, and it's going to circulate that ozone through. It'll take about a half hour, and then it'll stop that part. It'll go to a yellow for probably an hour or two, and then after that, it'll go to green, which means it's completely done and sanitized. That's pretty much it. Just call us or contact us. We have these in stock at any time, or you can go to our website and pick them up at dependableoxygen.store. Thanks.